Good day, ma'am, sir. I was read the advertisement which was posted at the Philippine Daily Inquirer that you are in need for a data encoder, and I wish to apply for the said position. I am Becky Umali, 18 years old, recently residing at the Barangay 1, Mataas na Kahoy, Batangas. I am interested for the position. Therefore, I come here to apply for this position. I am graduated at Lipa City Public College with 2-year course of Graduate Education Program for BSCS, which is TESDA Academy. I had first my 200 hours on-job training experience at the Office of the Municipal Budget, Mataas na Kahoy, Batangas, as a PC operator with a certificate of completion. I learned a lot of knowledge and skills about what professional can do. I handled a lot of office work like encoded data, file documents, and arranging them. I had also my another 200 hours on-job training experience at the Archie School Aid Computer Services at the P. Torres, Lipa City, as a hardware service. Through this experience, I improved my skills and knowledge about computers, such as troubleshooting, networking, installing an operating system, maintenance of the computer, and others. After completing this training, I received another certificate of completion, certifying that I have already finished my on-job training. Now, I am here to apply to have a work experience, improving my skills, and at the same time, to use my skills and knowledge to pursue my goals. I am a hardworking employee, fast learner, and time conscious. If ever you hire me for the position, I will do all my best to help your company as far as I can do. If you have given me a chance to prove that I am a deserving for the said position, I will be happy and thankful. You can reach me at my telephone number and email as indicated in my resume. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Thanks.